Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a PowerPoint, a PPT on your mobile phone in Canva, step by step, guys. So first things first, of course, open up the app, then on your home page, okay, here, let me show you. This is the home page. I'm going to open this three-dot menu, click on home, okay, those three horizontal lines, click on presentation right here, okay. Now it's loading up a presentation for us. So what we can do here, guys, is we have different slides and we have templates. We can go ahead and use one of these pre-made templates, see which one actually suits you or your project, or maybe a presentation you're working on. Maybe you're doing a corporate presentation. You can go ahead and click on this one, choose this one. You can view what's going on, and you can go ahead and apply all 10 pages if you like it, or you can go ahead and search for the different elements. But what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to apply all 10 pages now, and I'm going to show you how we can create a presentation using this. So right now we have this right here that says corporate presentation. It's zoomed in. Let me zoom back out. It's too zoomed in. So let's change the text. So what you want to do is just double tap on the text to change it. So this, well, let's just name it topic 1. Okay, this is topic 1, and you can of course double tap anywhere, change the text. You want to change the color, click on this option right here. You can change the color to any color you like. If you want it to be red, you can change it to red. And if you want all the text to change to red, you can, click on change all. But I only want this specific text to change to red. I'm just gonna, press enter. And now that, I have to undo this quickly. But yeah, now it is red, guys. So if you want, you can even change the image. You can move the image. You can delete the image. Whatever you guys want to do. If you want to add another image, let me show you guys. What you can do is scroll here, click on uploads. Okay, so you can search for an image. For example, let's say you want a ice cream. Okay, it's an ice cream. Let's get an ice cream. Search for ice cream, or you can upload a file yourself from your computer. You can search for ice cream, clip art. What you can do, so let me show you. Go ahead down here, click on elements. So that was from my gallery. Come here, search for ice cream. Okay, ice cream. Let's say clip art. Let's do a clip art, guys. Maybe in one of the pages we want to add ice cream clip art. Let's get some graphics. Let's get some free ones, guys. I need something free. Okay, this one looks nice. So here we go, guys. We have an ice cream right here. I'm gonna click on that image again, and I will resize it. Just one moment, I have to do it from here. So I'm resizing my ice cream right here, guys. There we go, I've resized it. So it's really easy and simple. If you don't know how to resize it, you can just press more, and then you can just unlock that. So bring it right here. Let's put it here. You can change this as well, presented by the name. So here, this is a problem statement. If you want to change the image, you can come here and change that. You can check out the filters, guys. So basically, that's what you need to do, guys. Go ahead, change the text on each. If you want to change the background color as well, you can do that. For example, I've clicked on that. I can change the color. If I want it to be red, if I want it to be black, gray. Gray looks nice. If I want to animate this, I can do this. I can make it rise. So it's going to rise to the top like this. When we open up a new slide, you can add animations, okay? You can look at the different layers on this page, so you can edit things like that. Specifically, for example, I only want to edit goals for. Click on this, okay? Select that layer, and then what we're going to do, we can edit that as well. We can change the formatting, the font, okay, the text style. For example, let me change the color of only that. I'll make this dark blue. Boom, guys, easy and simple. So you can go ahead and, guys, you can play around with this tool. Okay, you can do a lot of different things, of course. And basically, guys, at the end, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and export this as a PowerPoint. Also, guys, one more thing. If you want to know how to actually add a new slide, this is what you do. Click on these three dots right here at the top. Then scroll down, and I want you to click on this option right here that says View All Pages. Now right here, guys, you can add a new slide, you can add a new page, you can duplicate. Let's add a new page right after the number 4. And then I can click on this and I can change So if you wanted, guys, you can actually duplicate a page. Let me show you how to do that. And then if you want to like make edits using that design, what you want to do that again, click on these three dots, click on view pages, and I can duplicate this one. So I get this slide and then I make some slight edits so I retain most of the formatting. So if you're happy with everything, guys, what you want to do is, how do you export? Just click at the top right here, okay, on this icon right here. Then what you can do, guys, is you can download, okay, you can download this as a PowerPoint. Click on download. We'll download all 10 pages. Click on this option right here because we want to change our file type as a PPT. So we're going to choose the second option right here, Microsoft PowerPoint document, PPTX, all 10 pages, and then we're just going to click on a download. And since our design contains premium content, then we'd have to upgrade to a Canva Pro, or you can remove it. This is because of the template. So let me do that real quick, or you can just purchase this one product license.